Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are staying safe. Today's our offline class is about the physical and chemical events of fertilization. What are the various events? Let us study them one by one. The various physical and chemical events of fertilization include the following. Number first, acrosomal reaction. The capacitated sperms undergo acrosomal reaction and release various chemicals contained in the acrosome. These chemicals are collectively called sperm lysins, which are hyaluronidase. This acts on the ground substances of follicle cells. Number second, corona penetrating enzyme. It dissolves corona radiata. Number third, zona lysine or acrosine. It helps to digest the zona pellucida. For its function, there must be optimum pH of about 7.0 to 8.5, as well as the presence of calcium positive and magnesium positive ion concentration and temperature. They are very much essential for acrosomal reaction. Calcium positive or calcium dipositive ions have a significant role in acrosomal reaction. In absence of calcium dipositive ions, fertilization does not occur. Plasma membrane of sperm fuses with the plasma membrane of secondary oocyte so that the sperm contents enter the oocyte. Binding of sperm to the secondary oocyte induces depolarization of the oocyte plasma membrane. Depolarization prevents polyspermy and ensures monospermy. Number next is cortical reaction. Just after the fusion of plasma membranes of sperm and oocyte, the secondary oocyte shows a cortical reaction. The cortical granules present beneath the plasma membrane of secondary oocyte fuse with the plasma membrane and release their contents, including cortical enzymes between the plasma membrane and the zona pellucida. Cortical enzymes harden the zona pellucida, which also prevents polyspermy. Now, the next event is sperm entry. The secondary oocyte at the point of contact with the sperms forms a projection. This projection is called the cone of reception or the fertilization cone to receive the sperm. The proximal centriole of the sperm divides and forms two centrioles to generate the mitotic spindle formation for cell division. The secondary oocyte does not have centrioles of its own. Next event is the activation of egg. Sperm entry stimulates metabolism in the zygote, due to which rates of cellular respiration and protein synthesis increase greatly. Besides activating the egg, another role of sperm is to carry DNA to the egg. Next event, karyogamy or amphimixis. Sperm entry stimulates the secondary oocyte to complete the arrested or the suspended second meiotic division. This produces a haploid mature ovum and a second polar body. The head of sperm containing the nucleus separates from the middle piece and the tail and becomes the male pronucleus. The nucleus of the ovum is now called the female pronucleus. The male and female pronuclei move towards each other and their nuclear membranes disintegrate. The mixing up of chromosomes of sperm and an ovum is termed as karyogamy or amphimixis. The fertilized ovum is now called zygote. The zygote is diploid unicellular with a number of with 46 chromosomes. The mother is now said to be pregnant and the next menstrual cycle stops.